Hi dear children, welcome back to our chemistry class. We study so many chemical reaction, how it happened. We need some necessary conditions for chemical reaction. Okay, so first one is close contact. That is, when sodium is come in contact with the cold water, comes in contact with the cold water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. It is an explosive reaction. Okay, that's why we kept that sodium and potassium are kept in kerosene, because sodium and potassium comes in contact with the cold water, explosive nature is formed. Okay, burning effect will be formed. That's why the sodium and potassium is kept in kerosene. Okay, so sodium and water, cold water, comes in contact to form which gas is released. Hydrogen gas is released. Okay, hydrogen gas is released. So it is an explosive nature. Here hydrogen gas, how we can identify hydrogen gas is released? Bubbles is formed. Which sound is formed? The pop sound is formed. Okay, hydrogen produce pop sound. Hydrogen produce pop sound. Is it clear now? So sodium react with the water to produce sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Isn't it? And in some cases, some chemical reactions occur when some substances are combined or mixed in the form of solution. Okay, two solutions is combined to form mixture, new product is formed. For example, sodium chloride solution is mixed with the silver nitrate solution. Okay, sodium chloride solution is mixed with silver nitrate solution to form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Here two solution is taken. Okay, here two solution is come to mix with each other or contact with each other to form silver chloride. What is the color of silver chloride? White precipitate is formed. Okay, so two solution is combined to form also new product is formed. Here also chemical reaction happened. Dear children, some chemical reactions takes place only in the presence of heat. Okay, so for example, lead nitrate. Lead nitrate is heated strongly. Lead nitrate is heated strongly. We will get lead monoxide. Yellow solid of lead monoxide. Brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide. Reddish brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide and colorless oxygen gas is formed. Okay, lead nitrate is heated strongly. Then only we can decompose the lead nitrate into yellow solid of lead monoxide, reddish brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide and colorless gas of oxygen is formed. Okay, so what you observe here? Observation is yellow solid of lead monoxide, reddish brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide is formed. Okay, which are the gases released? Nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gases. Another example, iron and sulphur. Just iron powder and sulphur powder, if it is just mixed with each other, nothing happened. But we applied the heat. The iron and sulphur is combined to form new product is formed, that is ferrous sulfide. Okay, that is ferrous sulfide. So some chemical reactions takes place only in the presence of heat. Some chemical reaction can be takes place in the presence of sunlight. Okay, for example, green leaves or green plants, how they prepare the food? They prepare their food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Okay, this reaction is called photosynthesis. So some chemical reactions takes place in the presence of sunlight. That type of reaction is called photochemical reaction. Photo means sunlight. Okay, photochemical reaction. For example, carbon dioxide combined with water in the presence of sunlight to form glucose. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6 and release oxygen gas. oxygen gas. Okay, some chemical reaction takes place in the presence of sunlight. This type of reaction is called photochemical reaction. Example, photosynthesis. What is that? Carbon dioxide react with water in the presence of sunlight to form glucose. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6 and release which gas? Oxygen gas. Some chemical reactions occur only in the presence of electric current, that is electricity. That type of reaction is called electrochemical reaction. Okay, some chemical reaction takes place in the presence of electricity. This type of chemical reaction is called electrochemical reaction. I told some mixtures, and mixtures can be separated by simple physical method, but compounds is separated by chemical method. So electricity, if it is electricity is passed through that is a chemical method, not physical method. Okay, so for example, water through that water we can pass electricity. So electricity is passed through water, H2O. Electricity, okay, electricity is passed through water to form hydrogen. We can split into that water particle is split into hydrogen and oxygen gas. Okay, hydrogen and oxygen. So electricity is passed through water. We can decompose the water into hydrogen and oxygen. Is it clear? Then balance the equation. Okay, then balance the equation. Dear children, so some chemical reaction takes place in the presence of electricity. That type of reaction is called electrochemical reaction. Next condition is high pressure. Some chemical reactions takes place when the reactants are subjected to high pressure. Okay, high pressure is needed to react. For example, nitrogen and hydrogen combine to form nitrogen and hydrogen is combined to form ammonia, NH3. Here condition is what is the condition? 450 degrees Celsius and 200 atmospheric pressure. Okay, 450 degrees Celsius, 450 degrees Celsius and 200 atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is needed. So high pressure is needed to combine the hydrogen and nitrogen to form ammonia. Is it clear?